Hi everyone, in this video we'll learn how to split the screen. Like you have a large chunk of data and you want to compare the data. But sometimes you see how you do in a copy. You if you need to compare between two pages, you um, fold half of the page and then you compare between the two pages. So this functionality is also available in Excel. Suppose there is a top data and there is one bottom data and you want to compare some of the full-time officers in quality to some of the officers here in Watson. So how you can split this also, horizontal and vertical split, both is possible. Like suppose I can I want to split the data from here. Suppose I am quality, I want to compare the top data from the bottom data. How can I do? I can go to view and you see there is a split. Now you see there is a split. Now there is a scroll at the bottom and there is a scroll at the top. I suppose I want to north and want to compare this north quality, and I can want to compare this one north quality. So I can now compare easily between the data. So this split is very useful when there is a large chunk of data and I want to split how you do in pages. So this is very useful. If you want to remove it, you just go and click again, it will be removed. This is the horizontal split. You can do it vertical split also if you like it. In this data it will not be very useful, but if you have a large number of columns and if you want to compare some of the data from left end to the right end, how can do? You can just suppose I want to status, you can go in here and you can split. Now you see this is a splitted. You see two scrolls here and here. Now you can compare, like suppose I want to compare the compensation with this building. So this way I can compare if I want to split horizontally or vertically. So this is also possible, and this is very useful when you have large number of columns and you want to compare suppose the first column to the 20th column. So this come very handy in that case. Now you can there is horizontal, vertical, and simultaneously horizontal and vertical also you can do here. Like for somebody it will be very confusing, but you see you go and contact, and when you split it will split into four parts. You see here also is splitted, here you see here also. So it is split into four parts. You just need to select where you want to split. That's all. Thank you.